I'm often asked about some of my beauty routine secrets. So one that I love is called Guasha, and I'm sure you've heard of this, maybe not. And it involves using a device. It's based on traditional Chinese medicine, and the belief is that by using a device on the skin, it helps to alleviate a toxic load. So this is my Guasha stone, and this one is made from jade, as you can see. So a natural substance is what you're wanting to use. Some of them are made with, different crystals and stones. I've seen metal ones as well, and definitely, finding a good quality Guasha tool is what you want. Now, what you're doing is you're using different points of this tool to help to massage along the skin. So it's best to have on clean, moisturized skin, and I like to use my own serum. So I promise we will share this recipe on how to make your own moisturizing serum with all natural ingredients. So this contains some rosehip oil, so 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil, 2 drops of Frankincense Essential Oil, and 1 drop of Lavender Essential Oil. So you can see that it has that beautiful, oily consistency, and this is something that I will use as I'm going to put a little drop here. There we go. So as my oil on my skin, and this will allow for the proper gliding of the Guasha stone on my skin. Now, there are different techniques, which I promise we will share in future videos, exactly what you can do for specific areas on the face with the Guasha, and definitely lifting the jawline is one of them, releasing the lymphatic tissue, as well as at the back of the neck, helping with tension in the forehead and the forehead wrinkles, helping with the number 11 lines is another one of the techniques with the Guasha, which I promise I will show in future videos. If you want to see anything specific, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can make sure that I share, those specific exercises with the Guasha for those areas on the face. So if you do have other questions, I would love to answer them for you. Drop them in the comment section below. Be sure to share this video as well and give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. I hope that you'll subscribe and also click that bell to turn on the post notifications so that you're always aware of my newest and latest uploads. Everyone has a calling in life, and mine is to empower you to live a healthy lifestyle and, of course, to do it naturally. Thanks for watching.